Hey Team Creative, welcome back guys. I am getting ready for, of course, another event. I was actually going to do all of my blowing up at the event for the balloons, but the customer decided they were going to go in tomorrow morning. It's Friday night. They were going to just go in tomorrow morning and set up everything, so I'm going to meet them there tomorrow morning. So I want to be prepared and have some things pre-done. So I'm gonna jump into blowing up balloons tonight. They are doing colors are silvers, reds, and black. So all of my products, of course, I have some Tough Tex 11 inch, some Tough Tex 17 inch, and some 5 inch, as well as sorry guys, as well as some silver, same sizes. And I think I'm gonna do something different. I want to give it a pop, so I may add some marble into it. I'm gonna see how that does. And yeah, I got some white, but I'm not sure how much of the white I'm going to actually incorporate into it. So those are going to be our colors: silver, black, and red. And I'm just going to jump right in, get to blowing these up, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Join Team Creative, the creative family. I'll be glad to have you. I'm going to jump right into this video, start blowing up some clusters, and just do them in various sizes. So I'm going to mix some of my 17 inch with my 11 inch. I already have pre-blown, like I showed you, my smaller clusters. And then I have some more smaller balloons to fill in once I am on site. So let's get going, guys, and let's jump right into the video.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to. I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in?
Okay guys, so you can tell here I've arrived at the venue. We're getting ready to set up. My husband is with me. Some other family members are going to be decorating the tables as I set up. I'm putting up my backdrop stand here. I wanted to cover up this door just because it wasn't the best as far as sight line with decor, so I decided to go cattle corner here and cover up this door. I am going to hang a sequence backdrop, and I wanted to make sure I could have probably just slid it onto my pole, but the opening was so tight that it was difficult for me to get on, and you'll see that. So you're going to see me kind of put a small hole in it. It did not ravel afterwards, so I was lucky, but that's how I hung that, and I hung it with zip ties. I also was really glad that I put a piece of black material behind it. I doubled it so that the lighting, I actually added some uplights to this event, and the lighting did perfect because it had that black background behind it and it wasn't see-through. So I'm gonna speed this up a little bit for you guys. We're gonna get this set up, and then you guys will get to see the final reveal. So thanks for joining me, and keep watching.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, cause every night, I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. That this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? Uh-huh, uh-huh. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for